Everyone, so today I'm just going to be doing a quick video showing you how I do my winged eyeliner like this. I get quite a few questions from people asking how I do it or just saying they like my eyeliner, so I thought that I'd just do a quick video which is super easy, just showing you the way that I think works best for me. I've been using this technique to do my eyeliner for years and it's just really quick and easy. You can do it in 5 minutes, so I just thought I'd show everyone how I do it. So as you can see, I start on the outside of my eye and I begin with the flick first. I flick the line out towards my eyebrow. So this is what your eye should look like after completing that first step. I realised that that bit I just recorded was a bit rushed, so I thought I'd just show you a picture of what it should look like. I didn't realise my hand is covering up the whole thing that I'm supposed to be showing you, but basically once I've done that first line, I make the flick thicker gradually. I really did not realise how rushed I'd made this first part of the video, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the second eye, so hopefully that'll be a bit slower for you. But this is what it should look like after completing the second step, where you've made the wing thicker. And then when I've done that, I will then go over the top of my eye, as you can see I'm doing now, and then join that up with the flick that I've just created. So finally you should end up with something like this, but as I feel this was a little bit rushed, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I do this on the other eye, taking you through the same steps as I just have done. As you can see here, like with the other eye, this is the part where I will be beginning the wing by drawing that first line out towards the end of my eyebrow. The next step after this is to gradually increase the thickness of your wing by taking small strokes with your eyeliner pen and just increasing the thickness of that original line that you've drawn. You should do this until you're happy with the thickness of the wing that you're creating. And then after this, the next step will just be to finish off the look by creating a line with your eyeliner pen starting from your tear duct and then joining that up with the wing that you've just created. I will then just re-go over the top of my eyelid just to complete any finishing touches and just make sure that the whole eyeliner is even. So I really hope that this video has helped anyone that has struggled doing their winged eyeliner. If you followed this tutorial and you've got any pictures of your results, then I'd love to see them. But other than that, thank you for watching.